Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the low level fatal error in the Hogwarts Legacy. I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So in the first method we just need to update our graphic card drivers or the GPU drivers. So for this you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for devmgmt.msc and then click OK. And then you will be at your device manager. You have to just click on the display adapters, expand this option, right click on the graphic cards and then click on the properties, and here just click on the drivers and then click on the update driver. And here you have to just click on the search automatically for drivers, wait for searching, and you can see that the best driver for your device has already been installed. So after updating your GPU drivers, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you just need to disable the overclocking of your CPU. For this you have to just open your settings. In settings you have to just click on the system, and in the left menu click on the power and the sleep, and at the right side of this page click on the additional power settings and click on the change branch settings. Here click on the change advanced power settings and this type of the pop-up window will open for you, and here search for the processor power management option. Just expand it, expand the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state, and in the minimum and the maximum processor state you have to just turn the on battery value to the 99%. This on battery option could be the settings option for you in your PC or laptop, and after this just click on the apply and then OK. Now close all of the windows and again open your Hogwarts Legacy. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Our third method is that you have to just check for your system's requirement, as the Hogwarts Legacy requires a powerful computer system, and if this system not meet the requirement then you will find such type of the errors in your gameplay. So you have to just make sure that your computer meets the minimum system requirement that is required for the gameplay. If your system meets the requirement then you will never find such type of the fatal errors in your Hogwarts Legacy. Moving to our fourth method, you just need to verify the integrity of game files. For this open your Steam library and then right click on the Hogwarts Legacy, click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of the game file. By doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our final solution, you have to just uninstall your Hogwarts Legacy and again install it. Doing so the corrupted file that is causing this error will be removed and your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.